Richard told Louis. Today we introduce about a new air conditioner.
Before yesterday air, expensive money problem.
A natural educationer is cool air come in bottom and hot air is go to top. So our air conditioner is not expensive and it have a very clean air.
Our air conditioner is good for our health because air conditioner makes clean air and it can use little money.
Air conditioner is regularly changed the filter, but our conditioner is changed every day itself, so you can get fresh air. The energy benefit is used about 10%, and they save money that good for environment and natural. It cost is the 300,000 by now.
Oh,
Thank you.